Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm back with another video, and today I am going to review the Razer Power Core E90 electric hub motor scooter. I just picked this up for the price of $89.99 from local ShopRite supermarket here in actually in Elmsford, New York. So I'm going to put this together, and then my son is going to give it a test drive. So let me just highlight a couple of features about this scooter. So of course my son is 8. He's gonna be 9 in a little over a couple of weeks from now. So this is right there. You can see it right there. So this is for ages 8 plus. Maximum rider weight is 120 pounds or 54 kilograms. My son right now weighs 70 pounds. Last time I weighed him was about a month ago. He just 70 pounds. So this is perfect for him. He already has a Razer scooter. He has an old one, not a motorized one. So this is going to be his first motorized scooter. Okay. And also 65-minute plus charge. So you can run up to about, well, I read I can run up to 40 minutes, 40 to 60 minutes. Maximum speed on this is up to 10 miles per hour. But realistically, I read from maybe 8 to 9, which is fine. This is his first scooter. So, of course, it runs on a 12-volt battery. Hand-operated brake. So he already knows how to use a regular scooter. He's he had it for the last couple of years or so already. So now there's a step up for him. Of course, electric power right there. You see right there, electric power. Has a nice design. They have several models. I think they have the E200. There's a couple of them. I think there's another E100. So this is the one that was on sale. It caught our attention. So we pulled the trigger. We're going to decide to buy it. So now I'm going to assemble it. Well, of course, let's see what's in the box. I'm going to turn it this way. And, sorry, I'm not going to do the magic power of television. I'm going to show you what's in the box. Open it up. Okay, so we're going to take out the scooter. The first thing is first, we're going to pull this thing out of here. Get rid of that. We're going to take this side piece out. It's pretty much straightforward, the installation for this. We're going to take it out of the box. We're going to look in there. Take that out of the way. Alright, so let's just put this here for a minute. And we're going to go to the next step. So we took it out the box, and this is basically what it is right now. There's all, of course, there's all the cabling and the wiring and all that. Of course, the handlebars here. It's gonna go here. Let's check out this cover, and it even comes with this bag with the, of course, the power supplies in here to charge it, and also the Allen wrench. That's all you need. It's included. Okay. So let's assemble it. So again, this is the included power supply. So don't lose this, okay? It's a 12-volt, let me see right here what it says. 12-volt, 1-amp power supply. Okay, switching power supply, of course. Okay. So remember, don't lose this guy, or you're going to have to buy another one. And I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, here you go. And, of course, again, you got your Allen wrench. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove this cap. There's a rubber cap right here that has to be removed. Okay, this is rubber cap. It's just for protecting the threads from transport. So now, of course, we're going to line this up. This is the back. This is, of course, the throttle button is right there. The Razer sign logo is here. So this is obviously going to face this way. So we're going to put this in here. And we're going to adjust it. So when you're assembling this, make sure you line it up. You see the Razer logo right there? Try to line up as best as you can with the wheel, okay? Then you got these 2 screws right here. You're going to use the Allen wrench, and you're going to tighten them up. I already did it, but I just want to show you that it's a very important step right here. Make sure you line it up, okay? And then you're good to go. So now that is all assembled, of course, you plug it in here. That is the charger. It's a 12-volt 1 amp charger. They recommend initially to charge it up to 12 hours. And then after every use after that, 12 hours. Okay? And of course, he took it outside, tested it, works well. And there you go. So, wrapping it up. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also, share the video. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.